Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 3, Movements of the Earth. Now students, first of all, what is the meaning of movement? Yes, as you know that movement means the motion. So students, in this lesson, first of all, a big idea is given to us that we will see. We are going to study in this chapter about the movements of the earth, that is rotation and revolution, day and night, seasons, solstice and equinox. Now students, as in our every chapter, our chapter begins with let's get started with a small narration. So we will just have a look on it, what is given to us here. I am the sun. With me, there are the 4 inner planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They, along with the other outer planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, go around me. This movement is called revolution. So, students, next is given to us I am Mercury, I am Venus, I am Earth, I am Mars. We all are also called the terrestrial planets. Now students, we will see another one is given to us. I am circling around the sun, but not you. Know that I am going round and round on my own too. So I am both revolving and rotating. You can see here the earth is there. Look, there goes the earth on its path around me. Now students, here one question is asked to us. Name the 2 movements of the earth. As we had seen students in the big idea, the 2 movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. Now what we are going to study in this lesson? We shall learn. So we are going to study students in this lesson about the 2 important movements of the earth, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation causes day and night, revolution causes seasons. So different seasons, spring, summer, autumn and winter. Now students, here our chapter begins, movements of the earth. We see varying positions of the sun at different times of the day. Varying positions means students, varying means different. Students, we can see the different positions of the sun at the different times of the day. For example, students, at noon, the sun is right over our head. At noon at 12 o'clock, we can see the sun is exactly over our head. And you feel its heat and brightness. We can feel the heatness and brightness of the sun in afternoon. In evening, the sun sets in the west. In the evening time, the sun sets in the west direction. These positions of the sun gives us the impression that the sun keeps moving from one corner of the sky to the other. Now students, in the evening time, if you will see the sun, so the sun sets in the west, and this position of the sun gives us the impression, means it just can be seen by us that sun keeps moving from one corner to the another corner. We feel like that student, that sun is moving from one part to another part. However, the fact is that the sun never moves. Students, sun is never moving from its place. Sun is stable at its own place. But what we generally used to say? That sun rises in the east and sets in the west. But it is not like that, students. Sun is not coming from anywhere and not going to any other place. Sun is stable at its own place. The planets in the solar system, including the earth, are the ones that are always in motion. The planets in the solar system, including the earth, means earth and other planets of the solar system, they are always in motion. Motion means, students, movement. Okay, motion means the movement that something makes. So the earth has two basic movements. These movements are rotation and revolution. So students, earth and other planets are having some of the motions, and the earth, especially the earth, is having the two basic movements, that is the rotation and the revolution. So students, this is just an introductory video of our chapter. This much for today's video. We will continue our lesson in the next video. Till then, have a good day, good time.